returned to the Gold Coast, anchored on the Coomera River, and time to do some work projects. How you going? Well. Weather's being kind to us. The weather's being kind, at least it's not raining. Can I just jump on? If you got a bit of space there, I can jump on. Did we say it's just got high and low power?
It has, you're on normal low power now.
Okay.
Below that there's another setting.
Okay. Okay, let's take maybe go around and just see. So as a boating writer, there's always boats to test, and that was the Princess F55. Then it's time to go ashore and get on with some boat maintenance, get some bits for the outboard. And this is Paradise Point. It's quite a handy place. Paradise Point. Then it was time to do some work on the tow rails. I use linseed oil with turpentine to paint the tow rails, and it protects them with the oil, the natural linseed oil, and the turpentine helps them to sink in. Skyebird being a boat of nearly 50 years old, there's always plenty to do. But yeah, it's nice just to chill out and have breakfast. One of my favourites is poached eggs on toast. I made a little griddle over the gas. And then to pick up some spares, I had to motor south along the Broadwater towards Main Beach. And you can use the international service in Australia called Post Risante, where you actually have goods delivered to a post office. So Broadbeach is a post office in the actual Mirage Marina, which is very handy. But yeah, the weather's always changeable. Lots of rain during May time. And it was, I couldn't get my solar charged, so I borrowed my friend Marty's generator, and he's got that's a smart solar charger, very good brand, Victron, and 2000 watt solar generator to charge my batteries. I'm actually going to buy one. But yeah, the Gold Coast is never dull. There's always things to see and do on it, and chilling out at the trawler basin at La Mirage, and yeah, always something to see and do. Fireworks, and chilling with some rum, while making a list of other projects to do with Skyebird. Upcoming in the next videos will be my solar upgrade and electrical upgrade, and a few other ongoing projects, including some engine work. But yeah, it's good to just chill out at times and relax and enjoy the evening.